Hey y'all, got something really good here from Kizer Knives. And what we have here is the Kizer Gemini in black carbon fiber. Very nice. Very nice carbon fiber. And from what I understand, this is not a laminate. It's full carbon fiber. I think you can see it in the backspacer. Anywho, very nice 3.12 inch drop point blade, full flat grind. Got that stone washed appearance. No jimping on the flipper tab, but it still functions really well. It's got that nice little curve in it. Great action. Got a nice pass through to the liner lock. No jimping, but I don't see where it's needed. Got a nice pocket clip, inset screws, not reversible. Lanyard hole for all your lanyard lovers. Very nice knife. I like how it fits. 4-finger grip, no hot spots. Got no jimping on the blade, but we got Ray Laconico up there, the designer of the knife. She does an excellent job in his knife designs. It's a great EDC knife. I carry it quite often. Could use a little bit more of a sharpening choil there. That's about my only nitpick. Nice sturdy detent. I like that sound of that N690 steel. I like N690 because it's very durable, very resistant to corrosion, and Kizer generally has nice sales on their N690 blades. I picked this one up for $41, so I think it's pretty good. All right, y'all. What do y'all think of the Kizer Gemini? I know it's been out for a while, but it's nice to show something that's been out for a while that other people might not know about. Anyhow, I'd like to know your thoughts. Really good EDC knife. All right, y'all. If you come this far, hit that like button for me. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And check out the videos getting ready to pop up. You might see something you like. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye, y'all.